replace this whole setup. Get all new stuff. The whole kit and the caboodle. We better just pull these. Let's see here. Okay, so the one problem we have though, oh, you can see. Oh wow, you can see the play on them, and that's because this is off. But still, you can see it leaking in there. They're pretty bad shape. So let me see if what I can do to pull these off real quick. Get access to it a little bit, but how much I don't know yet. Let's see. All right. So we got all the bad parts out. Faucet, I mean that was degraded, all falling apart, gonna leak everywhere. That had to go. All this stuff had to go. I think the central brass valves might be okay still. Yeah, I think all that's fine. Get the seats out, put new ones in, put the new valves in. It should be fine. I don't think it really is in bad shape otherwise. You know, the valve itself should be fine. Everything's fine. I may have to change this part out as well. The problem is that tile was very weak. Didn't have any good backing board on it at all. It was just kind of very weak board behind it. And it was crumbled all over here. As you can see, pretty much just crumbled. Barely was on there. That's a job in itself. Once I get all the they're gonna have to change all this tile out, really. I don't even know if you can get it back in there, really. Even if you could do that right there, maybe it could be put back in. I'll leave it here like that, but the rest of it's trash here, so we can get basically all this can go to the trash heap here. Everything else is trash parts. All this is worn out. I mean, it was so hard to even get these off. And then I took that one off too. Oh, that's even froze up there, huh? I didn't even want to. That really wobbles around in there, don't it? Alright, so we took this out. This was all messed up, but I think we could do with a pop-up maybe. So yeah, so here's the valves, and alright, we'll get a whole new set and that should solve that problem. Whole new spigot, whole new shower head, get the whole works in there, should be good. Alright, so let's clean this up a little bit. Alright, so now that we got all the parts out, all the bad parts are out, got the two tiles that fell out, we could try to see if we can get them back in, put another backing board, but then you got the tile above that's cracked too, so actually, yeah, it looks like you're gonna have to replace 4 tiles there. I mean, even the one down there is rusted. Yeah, you might almost have to cut that whole section out, that whole 9-piece section out, and just redo it again. Yeah, that's a problem. Alright, we're almost done. We're getting ready to put a backer board in there and support it. I got it figured out how I'm gonna do it, and then I also will use this as reinforcement too. So all that's ready to go. just get the backer board in. I'm going to put the new tiles back in. We'll caulk it all up real good, and that's going to be it. And we got to find the water to turn on too. They'll have me get it out of there. And
I thought Slicks was cheap.
no, not at all.